So just cutting down our blind to fit within a reveal. So process is measure the reveal as accurately as you can, and then have a look at the instructions, find out what the offset distance is that you have to cut off to account for the the rotating end caps, and then cut it down. Like, find somewhere to cut it down to start with is one of the biggest problems. So the other problem is try not to tread on it, because you get that. Bit annoying. And that is the inside, so we're okay. And that's literally so you need to come in so that when the blind is pulled down it misses this handle. So come in 70 mil. Good morning folks, and welcome to a new video. Monday morning, bank holiday Monday I'm told, but as we all know, when we're self-employed, that makes no difference to us whatsoever. The banks may be on holiday, but I am not. So I've got a big fencing job to do today, due to merchants ridiculously adhering to bank holidays as well. I've had to deliver the gear on Monday, last Friday, so the gear's on site. I've got my apple, I've got my banana, I've got my meal prep waiting for the customer's microwave, and I've got my health, and I've got verve to work. So all of these ingredients mean that hopefully we're going to get an excellent filmed job. Okay, update you soon. Hello folks, so update times. Got the old panels off and established where the posts are going to go, fix the existing post better back onto the wall, and now I'm going to I've put a string line out, so we'll get these in line, and now I'm going to start digging. So yeah, this is where the hard work starts. Okie doke. Catch you later.
Let me hound out, it's friendly.
Oh yeah, no worries.
Just come straight over.
Right. Hello folks, so this job is going quite well now. I've got I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 posts in now, and I've got one more post to put in, and so yeah, going well. Weather's turned out quite nice, and yeah, I'm looking at finishing this today, I think. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, job done. Long day, and looking forward to being on my sofa. So yeah, okay, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Good morning, folks, and welcome to a new video. Hope everybody's okay. So it's Thursday today, and so I've got to get this job done, get it edited for the publishing it tomorrow morning as I'm on my usual slot. So today I've on a lovely estate, as an estate where I was brought up, and in a nice house, Sorden and Simpson house, and so I've got to sort this lady's side gate, and here we have this gate. It's given good service over the years, but it's now time to send it into gate heaven and create a new one. So I'll rip it all out first and then get back to you with my plan. So the mighty domino saves the day again, and so I've got this framework together now, 2 dominoes in each corner, so it's all lined up, and hopefully will reduce the risk of twisting. Avoiding return visits. Okay, yeah, let's go to the next step, routing it out. Okay, folks, I've had some problems with this gate now, and so I've been cracking on with it. I decided to, instead of creating a rebate with additional timber, to rout it out, and it's taken forever, literally forever. And I've got loads of clear up to do afterwards as well. So anyway, I've got it all assembled. I had to put a little bit of a trimmer in the bottom because it was longer than 1800, which is the length of the featherboard. So okay, just get this hung up and then I'm heading for the sofa. Okay, folks, so we finally got the end of a long day. So here's the gate. Bespoke gate. So, okay, see you on the next job. Please subscribe if you can, it does help me. Okay, thank you.